So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to enable a custom order request of your shop on Etsy. So first of all, you will have to open any web browser on your system and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account and then choose this option right here called Shop Manager. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys can see this option right here called Settings. Now click on this and then go with the fourth option called Options. So guys, as you can see, here are a bunch of options right there, but we'll come here for custom order request. So as you can see, here has been written also, this will let your buyers know that you accept custom order request. So what you have to do, that you have to choose this enabled option and then scroll down to the last, and then you have to click on this button right here called Save. So guys, it has saved the changes on my shop. That means I can now be able to get the custom order request. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.